In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset and organize your workspace in Adobe software to streamline your workflow and enhance productivity. When you open Adobe for design or editing tasks, having your workspace arranged efficiently can make a huge difference. Let's walk through the process of ensuring your panels and tools are perfectly positioned. First, let's tackle the workspace arrangement. Begin by navigating to the top menu and selecting Window. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover over Workspace. Here, you'll find a list of available workspaces such as Essentials or Essentials Classic. Select the one you're currently using. This selection helps you align with a standardized layout, making the next steps easier to follow. Once you've selected your workspace, it's time to reset it to its default settings. Head back to Window, hover over Workspace again, and now select Reset Workspace Name. For instance, if you're using Essentials, you'd select Reset Essentials. Resetting the workspace brings back the default arrangement of all panels, which can be incredibly useful if panels have been accidentally closed or moved around. Now, sometimes you might find that a specific panel seems to have disappeared. If you're looking for the Properties panel, Layers, or any other specific panel, there's a simple way to bring it back. Again, go to the Window menu at the top. From there, scroll through and find the panel you're missing, such as Window, Properties. Click on it, and it will reappear in your workspace. This process is similar for any panel you might need access to. This ensures you always have the right tools at your fingertips. Let's turn our attention to the Tools panel on the left side of your screen. It houses crucial tools like the Selection, Pen, and Brush tools, which are essential for most Adobe projects. If you ever find that this panel is missing or lacks the tools you depend on, the solution is straightforward. Navigate to Window again, but this time look for Tools. Once you hover over Tools, you'll see options like Default Tools or Advanced. Click Default Tools to ensure you're working with the standard set of tools needed for most tasks. If you prefer a more comprehensive tool set, you might want to explore the Advanced option. By following these steps, you'll have a neat and organized workspace that suits your design needs and preferences. Having everything neatly arranged not only saves time, but also boosts your efficiency, allowing you to focus more on the creative process rather than searching for missing tools or panels. So, take a few minutes to reset and organize your Adobe workspace, and let it work for you by enhancing your productivity and creativity. Stay tuned for more tips on optimizing your design workflow.